Today we will make this kind of bat. It flaps its wings just like a real one. You can see for yourself if you make it, and at the end of the video I will show how it flies around my room. We will need a regular A4 sheet of paper. We fold it in half. Now fold the halves in half again. Next, we fold these halves together to make one strip like this, then fold diagonally. You need to be very careful here. Press down several times, turn it over. Here, fold diagonally in the same way. Now, fold this edge to the middle. Do the same on the other side. Next, fold the bottom part to the top, press it down. Now fold these parts as I am doing. Now fold right here. Iron it, turn it over, fold this triangular part once more. Iron it well once more. Now fold our bat in the middle and start on the wings. Fold right here. Iron it, turn it over, and do the same wing here. Align them well, iron several times. And now fold the bottom part so that it flaps its wings. Next we will make the eyes. Cut out 2 round ears from a piece of white paper. The first one is ready, we make the second one, and then we glue them with regular glue. I waited for my glue to dry. This is the bat we ended up with. It looks really cool. I like it. I hope you do too. And now I'll show you a flight test in my room. And yes, it really flaps its wings. It's just unreal. I definitely recommend you make a bat like this too.